welcome to Kitchen Casino once again. Just rolled the board here. We had a 21 come out. And I'm going to be exploring what I did in the last video here. So something interesting happened with the number 36 last time. If you can see this, all these greens are repeats. So these numbers are starting to repeat themselves very well. So I'm going to do 5 rolls, just following the data that I've collected, where we're just following the history of a number. So in other words, if a 1 came out here, these are the numbers that have followed the 1. And these are, the blue ones have all come out 3 times. Let's see what happened here. 21 came out, so I'm going to play. I've got a $90 stake here. I just cleaned up like $200 because I've been playing this for a little while. I've been gathering data, but 21 came out. And that's within the second 12. I'm going to play 5 rolls. I think the last video I said I was going to play 5, but I only played 4. So, bam, there's 1. All right, 21. Let's see. So on 21 we have the 0, we have the 1, 4, 7, 10. 5, 8, 11, 12, covering most of the first 12 here. Then we have a 13, 15, 21, right? Yeah, 16, 20, 21, 23, 22. And these are the numbers that have actually come out as I've been keeping track. These are the numbers that have actually followed the number 21. So this is our first roll, so my first coin here, and we'll see what happens here. So we roll this, and we'll see what happens. I can't believe this. A 24 came out. That's actually a loser. So I just lost all this money, which is fine. I don't know, I lost like 20 something dollars here. Now, we're going for our second roll. We're playing the 24. And we'll see what happens there. A 24 historically was followed by this, 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 this. On the second 12, we had these come out. And third 12, we've had these come out. You know, and that's why I had these set up as little roulette tables. It's really easy just to look at the pattern, throw the chips on the table. Even though my chips are a little too big for this table, I'm going to be changing that soon, get a different table or different chips. But that was the pattern for the number 24. We had a 15 come up. 13, 14, 15, that was a winner. So let's see, 24, that was the second time that the 15 showed up after the 24. Okay, so that was the winner. That's 10 there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. And so I'm taking a $35 win, and I'm just going to leave the 1 there because I won on the 15, and I'm going to play the numbers that had followed the 15 in recent history here, so we'll go from there. 2, 7, 11, 12, 24, 26, 29, 15, and 34. So, alright, let's see what happens here. Let's play the 15. This is our second roll, I believe. Number 8 came out. Let's see. Under number 15, that is the second time that the 8 came out after the number 15. So I'm going to move back to the number 8 stats here. But we won $36. 2, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 7, 10, and then that's 20, 30, 35. I've got some 5s rolling here, and we're on the number 8. We're on our third roll, okay, and I'm going to play the numbers that have followed the number 8 in the past. And I'm leaving the 8 there because I did win on it. Maybe it'll come up again, maybe not. As far as my records show, it has not followed itself yet, but that can always change. That roulette can change, you know, with the wind here. It can be anything. So that is the pattern that has followed the number 8 in the past. Third roll. Let's see what happens here. And a 10 came out, which is a winner. It's actually the only winner on that little roll there. So number 8, if you can see that, the 10, it's already come out twice, so this will be the third time that the number 10 has come out after the number 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6. We have 10 here. We've got $20 in chips there. 20, 30, 5. Another $15 in $5 chips. And this will be our fourth roll. I'm going to do one more roll after this. So we're on the number 10. I'm going to leave the $36 chip under the 10. And we're going to just populate the table with the ones that have traditionally followed the number 10. So, and 10 has had a lot of action. I'll tell you what, 10's come up a lot. We're using a pretty big bet here, which is okay. I mean, you know, I don't want to get to a point where I'm betting a whole bunch and only winning like $1 or something like that. But judging by the way that 10 has rolled in the past, you're better off, you know, going from for the first 12 or the second 12 on a 10. Wow, I ran out of winning. I'm going to actually break into my stash here. Okay, so that's everything that's come out after the 10. We'll see what happens here and how much money I win. If I win any. a 12, which is buried some here, right here. Yeah, that's a winner. So now 10, the 12 has already come out once, so this will be the second time that the 12 came out. 2, 4, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm going to leave the 12 on the table. We got 3. Let's just do the 5 here. 3, 4, 5. 25. $35 is my win. Okay. And now we're playing whatever traditionally followed the 12. And this, my 5th bet, will be my final roll. And we'll figure out where we're at. Started with a $90 stake. So let's play the 12. We got 1, 2, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 25, 27, 28, 30, 32, 35. Okay, so these are the numbers that have historically come up after the number 12 on 4 different tables. So let's see, not just this table, but I have 2 online tables and a software table. Okay, we have a number 5. Now, the number 12, the 5 has come up before. So this will be the second time that the 5 has come up after the number 12. So that's obviously a winner. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10, and then we have 20, 10, 20, 30, 35. Okay, so we have $35 here, 36. But I've already played my 5 rolls, started with a $90 stake. These were all my chips that I put over here to count. Let's see where we're at. Alright, so these I know are all $10 stacks, I think. Are they? Yep. So right now we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Plus 50 is 140. 145. 2, 3, 4, 5, 150. $151. Now I started with 90. $152 because I left one on the table. $152. So we're up $62 in those 5 rolls. That's kind of what I want to be looking at. I want to be looking at a $10 per roll win. So we're up $62 over 5 rolls. The data just keeps growing. Now obviously the data itself will outreach itself to a point where the bets will be too big to really make money, so I'm going to have to be trimming numbers off as I'm adding numbers in. And I'm trying to determine how to do that. So at any rate, I just made $62 in 5 rolls. This data is going to be available in one of my ebooks. And we'll go from there. I hope you enjoyed this video. This will be added to my $50 to $1,000 journey. I'm going to look into some other systems. You've seen a lot of crazy systems from me, but I'm going to be changing systems all the time. And let's beat this table. Have a good night.